After making this amazing, delicious recipe, I decided to tag it stubborn, creamy buns. I am going to tell you why. Hello, creative bangers. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. You want to start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. Move in with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less. Now I'm moving with warm milk. You can substitute the warm milk with warm water, all right? Mix to combine very well. Now you are going to add either melted butter or margarine. I added a cup of butterscotch. You can use vanilla, all right? Mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it, all right? Once that is done, I am going to add a pinch of salt. At this point, feel free to add any other dry ingredients of your choice. Mix till everything comes together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, now I transfer to the work surface. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a popping smooth dough just like this one. Transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl. You are going to cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to proof. While the dough is proving, let's mix the filling. In another bowl, I'm going to start by grating 2 boiled eggs, all right? Now, aside from the eggs, you can use any other protein of your choice, all right? You can use chicken or beef. After grating the eggs, this is what I have. Now, you can go with the eggs alone, but I'm going to add some veggies. I added carrots, bell pepper, and cucumber. Now I'm going to add mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper for that unique flavor. Now I'm going to add a bit of white vinegar because I wanted it creamy. You can skip the vinegar, all right, if you don't want. Mix to combine very well. You should have this creamy mixture, but not a runny one, okay? Go ahead and set it aside. 30 minutes later, voila, the dough has double in size. Chop knuckle with that dough, transfer back to the work surface. You are going to knead for a few seconds again to take out the air, all right? Now go ahead and cut in your preferred sizes, all right? Now I'm going to cut to about 12 pieces. After cutting, go ahead and form a ball with each of the cut out dough, all right, just like this one. Very simple and easy. You just mold and form a ball. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Beautiful shout out to you, Norma, watching from Chile, Malika from Algeria, Gabriela from Nigeria, Sarah Listig from Italy, Mary watching from Nigeria, and Ginger all the way from Alaska, USA. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue to form the balls till I'm done. I ended up having 12 pieces like I mentioned earlier. Okay, now I pick up one of the balls, dust the work surface with some flour, place the ball, arrange in a way that it will be easier for me to roll, moving with the rolling pin. Start rolling to flatten the dough. You are not going to roll too flat. About 2 millimeter thickness is okay, all right? Now moving with the creamy filling. You are going to fold, then seal. Go ahead and roll till you get to the end. Okay, now you are going to seal properly. It is important to seal properly. If you are with me at this moment, type seal properly. All right, after sealing, give it a quick roll. You should have this beautiful tall lady looking at you. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Roll, add the filling, fold, then roll again. Make sure to seal properly. I am going to show you what will happen if you don't seal properly. Once you are done, go ahead and arrange in a flooded open tray, just like this one. Okay, now you are going to cover again and allow to sit for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila. Now you can bake just the way it is, or you can brush with a beaten egg before baking. You can also use your air fryer to air fry, all right? But I'm going to fry with an oil. In a deep hot moderate oil, gently throw these beautiful ladies inside the hot oil. Please don't use too much heat. The same temperature of hotness required when making your donut is the same temperature you are going to use for this recipe. All right. After throwing, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Creative bangers. This is where the job started. It was at this point that I changed my mind and decided to target stubborn buns. I tried every possible means to flip the other side to fry as well, but it wasn't working. After flipping, they will turn around again. I tried, it wasn't working. I almost tried to hold it with my fingers. Oh my word, please don't try that. At this point, I decided to support with a fork. If you knew any other means that I would have used, let me know at the comment section. Creative bangers. At the end of the day, I conquered. I got it. Okay, I continued to hold with a fork till every part of it were properly cooked, as you can see. Once they are golden brown, take it out of the heat, serve and enjoy. It was delish. Do you love my stubborn buns? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It came out so well. Oh my word, look at that. Super soft. Even a day-old baby can enjoy from it. I'm just kidding. It came out so well. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.